Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a simple fall swag using some leftover florals and ribbons that I have. So here I'm just staggering and stacking the leftover fall florals that I have, and I'm going to do 2 sets of them and put them together. I'm going to attach them with a zip tie that I have, and then I'm going to go over them with the floral tape that I have. Next, I'm going to work on my bow, and I'm using leftover ribbon that I had from other projects. I am going to use a zip tie to clamp down the bow, but before I clamp it all the way down, I do use a pipe cleaner to put it through the back. This way I have a way to attach it to anything I'm working on. Here I'm just fluffing the bow and getting it where I want it before I place that in the middle of the swag that I have created. I love these kinds of creations because you can put them literally anywhere. You can put them on a lantern, you can put them on a wreath, you can put them anywhere you want to. Now I'm just going to trim up my tails and call this project complete.